would like to thank all of our mentors and everybody who participated.
One of the aspects that I enjoyed was working with people from all over the world.
I learned so much, and I can say for everybody that we've learned a lot from all of our mentors.
I felt proud of myself when I made some new friends, because usually I'm not that social, and also when I speak up during class, because it makes me feel like I have a part in the class as well.
You won't learn this at school, and also the certificate you can use for applying for high school, and it was very useful.